Hey, if you're a home service company and you are looking for ways to grow your business to 7, maybe 8 figures in annual revenue, there's a few things that you need to really focus on. Number one, you need to focus on growing your brand and having your brand perpetuated across your market. So what do I mean by your brand? Well, the name of your company is really what I'm talking about. Having that mentioned by other companies, other people in articles, on social media posts that aren't owned and controlled by you gives you a lot of traction in perpetuating your brand. If you go to Google right now and you Google just your company name, how many listings come up? For an example, Google DMN8 partners, Dominate partners, but Google it DMN8. I did that on purpose so that I am set apart from other companies that maybe use Dominate in their names. And so DMN8 partners is going to give you 4 to 5 pages of listings on Google. And what that does is it's sending signals to Google to tell Google what or who Dominate Partners is, and then we create content around what Dominate Partners does, because Google can't put you in searches if they don't know who you are. So that's number one. The second thing you need to be doing is make sure that you're active on platforms such as Google Maps, social media, and you're constantly putting out fresh content that's engaging and entertaining. Look, nobody gets on social media to try to figure out the cure to cancer. They're on social media because they want to be entertained. So entertain them and make sure as you're entertaining, you're also providing information. And then the final thing that you want to be doing is perpetuating your personal authority in your industry across the internet. So maybe that's by writing articles or speaking on stages or being on podcasts, or maybe recording YouTube videos and constantly pushing that content. If you focus on your brand and perpetuating that brand across the internet, if you focus on content from your company that tells others what it is you do that's entertaining and engaging, and then you focus on your personal experience and authority, all those things come together to begin to tell Google the story of who you are. If you're looking to generate 7, 8 figures of revenue, the biggest thing you have to focus on is making sure Google knows who you are. They know who you are, and then they know what you do. They're going to send business your way. And the best way to scale your business is to make sure that you're showing up in search for all of the services that you provide in the markets that you provide them in, so you can make money and dominate your market.